Hola, fifth grade fam. Welcome back. Let's jump into our vocabulary. Please open your book to page 105. The first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to go over the correct answers to page 105. I literally feel 100% sure that you guys all probably got a 12 out of 12 on this because you're so good at the word associations. After we review that, we're going to go to page 106. I'm going to do the beginning of the lesson and number 1 with you, and then you're going to do numbers 2 through 10 by yourself or with a parent, all right? So first step, get to page 105. If you need to go get your book, pause this video, go get it, and press play when you come back. Word associations. Number 1, the answer is D. Number 2, A. Number 3, B. Number 4, C. Number 5, C. Number 6, E. Number 7, B. Number 8, D. Number 9, A. Number 10, B. Number 11, A. Number 12, B. Give yourself a grade. The numerator should be how many you got correct. The denominator should be over 12, right? So go ahead and give yourself a check plus. Remember last week Andrew did an A plus. Give yourself a grade and a little smiley face on that. If you want to send me a Jupyter message or a text message or a Google Classroom message of what your score was, I would love to know how you did on that, just so I know how your brain's feeling, okay? Meet me on page 106. We are going to be talking today about word studies, and we're going to talk about the roots, port, and mit. I want you to pay special attention to these boxes here because those 2 boxes are the notes that were given to help us be word detectives. As you guys remember from our study of last unit, words typically have a root, a prefix, or a suffix. And you can use those 3 things, the root being the main word, prefix coming before, suffix coming after. You can use those sort of like word mathematics to figure out what a word means. It's kind of like another version of a context clue that helps us to figure out new and challenging words. Often in your life, especially when you guys are older and you're in college and stuff like that, you're going to realize no matter how hard you study, you're never going to know every single word. But you are going to know a lot of strategies to help you find out the meaning of words so that you do know them. Reading at the top of the page, please follow along with me. A root is the main part of a word. Roots have meaning, but few roots can stand alone. Knowing the meaning of a root can sometimes help you to figure out the meaning of a word. Often, the root comes from a different language, such as Latin or Greek. Look into this box right here. Our 2 roots today are port and mit. If something has the root port in it, that means to carry, okay? Raise your hands, guys. Who knows? Give me some words that have P-O-R-T in them. Yes, Mulani. Awesome. Portable, right? Very, very good. Keep brainstorming those. That's helpful. Now, the second word, root, is mit. Please say mit. Good. Notice that it's spelled M-I-T instead of M-I-T-T. M-I-T-T is like a mitten, mit, right? But this mit means to send. Can anyone think of words that have M-I-T in them that means to send? Yeah, transmit, submit, right? Very, very good. We are looking today specifically at 4 words: import, porter, submit, and transmit. For practice, it says complete each sentence with the word that contains the root port or mit. Choose from the words above. Number 1, when do we have to blank our ideas for the science fair? Do you think that this word is going to be one with port or with mit as the root word? Yes. Who do I want to call on? Yes, Miley. Right, it's going to have MIT because we're not talking about carrying our ideas for the science fair. We're talking about sending our ideas for the science fair. So our options then are either submit or transmit. Raise your hand if you think we should fill in that blank with submit. Raise your hand if you think we should fill in that blank with transmit. All right, awesome. So the answer to number 1 is submit. Let's do number 2, and then I'm going to let you guys go and do this by yourselves because I know you're going to do great. The blank helped us to get our suitcases off the bus. Do you think this is going to be a root word with the root port or mit? Raise your hand if you think it's going to be port. Raise your hand if you think it's going to be mit. Okay, so if we're getting suitcases off of a bus, are we sending them or carrying them? We're carrying them, right? And the person, it looks like, who is helping us carry them, that's the word we're looking for. Which word do you think it is? Import or porter? Awesome, Bryn, I noticed that too. Import is a verb, whereas porter is a noun. So this would make more sense for it to be the noun, and the answer is porter. Go ahead and complete the rest of page 106. If you would like to do the bottom part where it says write, that's always a great idea. Always stretch that brain a little extra. In tomorrow's video, I'll review the rest of the correct answers for page 106, and we will do page 107. Please feel free to study on Quizlet as much as you want. I'm excited to see if anybody can beat my top scores in gravity or in matching. I hope you have a glorious rest of your day, and I can't wait to see you for more lessons tomorrow. Be safe, and I love you lots. Bye.